A bridge does more than connect two shores. It brings people, time, and dreams closer together. It begins from deep below, with strong foundations placed beneath the river. One by one, pillars rise, cutting through the water. Then comes the structure, steel and concrete forming its body. Slowly, the two sides begin to unite. A path is created, smooth, strong, and ready for movement. Lights, railings, and safety complete the structure. Every detail ensures a safe and perfect journey. When the first vehicle crosses, it's more than a bridge. It is a story of connection and a symbol of progress.